few questions here. So if you have. It was a quick, very fast saying any questions. So how many people we have?
So right now it's about 650 to 700.
Okay. So I know that many of you know that we are about between 650 to 700 computers, and the number of these computers are watched by groups, and probably many of you are already listening in different languages, and we all wanted to be very thankful, very grateful to those people who are volunteering doing those translations. And I really hope that this coming year or this year to how you say, have more translations, at least like hopefully we can have a Chinese translation, and maybe some other languages. And so any time anybody wanted to be helpful, you want to know something that how you can help, we are always look forward to hearing from you. And of course, the Ligmincha learning.com and ligmincha.org, and also a very important website, oceanofwisdom.org, oceanofwisdom.org, where these many video are stored in multiple languages, subtitles. So I encourage you to visit all those websites. So any?
Yes. How do you recognize the smart ego?
How do you recognize smart ego? Just look at the one who is asking the question. The one who is asking the question, I think that is probably smart ego, and the one who is answering, which is in this case me, that little smart ego is in me, is answering those questions too. So now you have clear recognition of your smart ego, and I have clear recognition of my smart ego.
When I try to connect to inner silence, for example, I feel a sense of rising up into myself. Is that what you mean by connecting to inner silence?
Repeat again.
Yeah. When I try to connect to inner silence, for example, I feel a sense of rising up into myself.
Mm-hmm.
Is that what you mean by connecting to inner silence?
Yeah. So basically, being connected to the inner silence, being aware of the inner silence, it's like you are being more aware of yourself. And when you're more aware of yourself, it's like a self-arising wisdom. It's a self-arising wisdom. That awareness is like a self-arising wisdom, or some sense of self. So in a way, you can say, when I'm referring to silence of being, this is what I'm referring to.
Rinpoche, you did not mention soul retrieval. Can you speak to that?
So somebody saying that I did not mention soul retrieval. I think which is not true. I did mention a number of times during this webcast. By the way, it's recorded there. If you you listen back, you will hear it. And so so right now, I think we are running out of time. So if you have not hear previous webcasts, and I think I would recommend, they all are recorded and there. I would recommend to look at them. Okay, I think we are done here. We want to do the dedication. Chamne Sonla Denjen Toba Shongo Son Nyamdo Yeje Jeba Sho Do Son Dane Go Son Toba Sho Ranju Drone Jinla Pemba Sho. May I attain great confidence in three refugees. May my experience and realization of the wisdom of three door increase in purifying three poisons. May I obtain three bodies. In liberating my own being, may I benefit others. Thank you, everybody. Bye now.